Okay.
Alright, guys. I'm Miss Kate. I'm Miss Short.
Wait, you guys can say your last names. I'm sorry.
That is her last
That
name.
is her last name. I'm so sorry, Richmond. That is so funny. Okay, thank you, Richmond, for modeling a great example of saying your last name.
Okay, my name's Miss Short.
I'm Miss Evans.
And I'm Mrs. Mooney. And we had Miss Chaston, second grade. Think back to what you all saw happen whenever we did the engaged phase. Do you guys remember when I hit the roller? Does anybody remember that?
Yes.
Well, if you'll remember our investigation question, it was what causes the roller and other objects to make sound. And I want you to think about what your predictions were about how things make a sound. And today we're actually going to get to make a roller make a sound. Each of you guys are going to get to make the roller make a sound, as well as you'll also get to make a rubber band, a pan, and a shaker make sound.
Alright, so Mrs. Mooney is passing out some worksheets that you're going to take to each station with you today, and there's 4 stations. It's table 1, 2, 3, and 4. For those of you that have the worksheet, can you tell me what the first picture is on the worksheet? You can tell me what it is.
Rubber band.
The rubber band. Alright, you can tell me what the second one is. You know what else it's looking like? Alright, and the third? And the fourth? The shaker. Alright, so I want you to go around, and while we're making the sounds with these different objects, I want you to pay close attention, and you're going to write down what you hear, and what you see happening, and even what you feel happening sometimes.
Okay, so like we said, the tables are numbered, and if you guys right here could maybe move to like another table that has less people, so like one person there, one person here, another person at the other table. Okay, so table 1 is going to be for Miss Ashley, table 2 is for Miss Richmond, table 3 is Miss Mooney, and then table 4 is my table. Okay, and each station is going to be about 3 to 5 minutes. And whenever you hear somebody clap, that means that we need to be quiet. Okay? Can somebody raise their hand and tell me what the clap means? Just be quiet. Okay, very good. Oh, okay.
Maybe I have to actually do that.
Oh,
It's short.
okay. If everybody could do this. And what does that mean again?
Quiet.
Very good.
Okay, and so then, so whenever we're going to rotate to each table, one of us will say Red Robin, and so you guys are going to answer with yum. So when we say Red Robin,
Yum.
All right, good job. So then that means that you, what does that mean? Yeah, we rotate to the next table. So one will go to,
Oh, can I interrupt? I'm sorry. Are you going to have the kids rotate? You should have the stuff rotate because it gets really chaotic.
Okay.
Is that okay? Can you guys show me that work?
yeah,
We don't have very many materials.
yeah.
Then we'll just use the Red Robin and Yum for when we're going to switch them.
Okay. And then you'll only need the paper and a pencil, which I guess you're not moving anyway. So. Does anybody have any questions? It is.
Can I, in a classroom, could we have them move? Because they'd be more spread
No,
out
it's too chaotic. I've done this a couple times, and the teachers ask that the kids aren't moving, that the stuff moves. Because when they're moving, they just get really distracted, and it's hard to keep them focused.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry, I thought.
No big deal. Okay, that's fine. So then we'll go.
Right. Okay. I'll stand here. Let's pair up. Just you 2 work together and you 2 work together because it's going to take multiple hands to figure out today. So who wants to hold the rubber band in each group? All right. So I want you both to take the rubber band and put it on your thumbs and pull it pretty tight. All right, Jennifer Wilson, can you pluck the rubber band or find a way to make some noise? What's happening to the rubber band right now?
What do you guys think?
Wiggling? Is it wiggling in every direction or in a specific direction? Do you hear the noise it's making? Yeah, all right. So let's take a minute to write down what we're seeing out there. get a few things written down, we'll switch it up a little bit. We have a person called the rubber band.
Hey, why do you think it made
When you're describing the sound, is it a low sound or a high sound? Is it loud? Is it quiet?
So what, like, you could feel it on the outside?
Bang.
Okay, is it a loud sound? Is that bing? Is that loud? Can you hear yourself talk over it?
Oh, the shaker, sorry.
So it's not very loud. So quiet.
Yeah, so do you guys try the same sound before?
Do you think that's the only sound that was
So
going
it
to
really
make?
doesn't.
Think you can make other sounds?
I think if I
That's what happened whenever we're silent, it really starts.
Yeah,
You think you have to have metal to make noise?
So what?
know that it should provide that metal and
Well, if you're adding it harder, what do you think will happen? It'll be louder?
Then I would have to.
Alright, you want to switch it up? The other one, hold it.
Still and movement.
Well, I don't think so good job, guys. I'm just so, yeah, you can fill out your chart too.
That this could bring so much into it.
I know, right?
wanting them to notice. What are you wanting them to notice?
How, like, whenever they moved it, it was making noise, and like what it felt like whenever they were moving it.
So maybe describe what you felt, describe what you heard, describe what you saw.
But you want me to say all of those? Other than
you know what you really fun? I'm gonna give you a ball.
describe what they heard, what they felt.
Maybe drop it and someone slips on.
You have one of those, 'cause that is a lot. The kids have to look at that before. They can't do all of them.
Well, maybe not
You know the squishy where you hold on to it.
Describe what you feel and what you hear.
the
This, I mean, if this one was like a plastic bottle where it's clear and the kitchen would be, then it would be, what do you see? And you would say, you see them hitting each other.
Do you think I should do that instead?
I don't know, this one's pretty cool. You may want to. We can think about it. I like this. It's really nice. But the bottle's just nice because you get to see inside. So,
Of course.
I know. I like them. Yeah. Yeah. You make them or what?
It's like a little.
Can you like bring it on the paint? It's adorable. Okay, keep circulating. Are you keeping track of your time for each table? Yes, you do.
Yes, that would be the answer.
They have a thing. No, they
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good idea to do for your spot or do whatever.
Very good. Okay. Red Robin.
Try that one more time, and I want your group. I want everybody to shake their to simulate what it's gonna be like in the classroom. It's gonna be really loud. I want you guys to hit your pan. I want us to shake. Everybody do their thing, and then do your hit together. Keep going.
Yeah, it was supposed to be Red Robin to be quiet and the hand clap to rotate.
We just have to
Mix it up.
Okay, so Red Robin. Okay. Now we go.
Alright.
Thank you guys.
Your questions are really nice. I like your sequence. Yeah, they're good.
Okay. And this station is shakers. Okay, hold on. Sorry, nobody touch them. Oh no. Okay, just drop it. Okay, so when I tell you guys to, I want everyone to pick up a pink shaker and get really still. Don't make any noise, okay? Go ahead.
Probably should not.
Okay, so everyone listen to it. What do you guys
Well, I mean,
hear?
if we model it, I mean, do you guys hear anything?
Okay, so why do you think you can't hear anything?
Anything that could possibly happen, we want to make sure it's limited. That's what just popping in on one.
It's not moving? Okay. Okay, so now go ahead and shake it.
Like, what situation?
Okay, so what do you hear now? Yeah, so what's the difference between whenever it was quiet and whenever it's moving? Stuff moving? Does it feel different? You can put your hands on it. You guys feel anything?
Anything around the
Okay, so what did it feel like when you got the shake right? You can feel like that's good. Is that what you think is the loud noise?
So what happens?
Them hitting with each other? Yeah? Okay. So if on the very bottom one, you guys could make a line right here. Sorry, we're just changing this a little bit, and put did you heard when it was silent, or describe like what it was like when it was silent, and describe what it was like when it was shaking.
And then we're going to share that one, and then everybody with the metal spoon will just hit it once. And we're, oh, sorry, go ahead and make sure you okay, hit it again. Okay, stop. You guys feel it? Wow, you're awesome. Show your hand. Okay, now with the plastic. All right.
Okay, so I do this.
Yeah.
Feel anything?
Yeah, my it's hard. Wait.
Go ahead.
Okay, you guys want to
How do you write
So you think there's a difference? Are you feeling the
Yeah.
same thing between your spoons?
Lost one.
Pretty long is 3 things.
That is the spoon.
Okay, so you want to say, why tell me why you use the different the plastic?
So they don't say,
Those are your beans, and these are just the
And separate paint?
spray paint. I was gonna do a bunch of different colors, but that's only my pink colors. Sorry guys.
That's good.
Thank you guys so much.
Red Robin. Okay, we're gonna end. Wrap up. Oh, okay, pretty cool. Do you have anything else to say before you wrap up? Yeah, I don't know about using the plastic and the metal. I don't know. I'm wondering if you need it for your lesson or just doing the metals and not.
Hey, yours is very good.
Our teachers will listen to you. I do not.
I really wanted to hit that paint.
I don't think I'm
Do you guys think we should put stickers on these?
No.
No?
No.
Okay.
They would pull them apart, they would play with them, and strike them. No.
Okay, it's time to go there. What? Effective keeping moves did you notice in this team?
I like that there was like a teacher at each table keeping them on track.
Yeah, I thought that worked well. And your line of questioning was really good. Can I see your lesson plan for a second?
Oh, yeah.
Or Caitlin, read through the line of questions that you asked, the sequence of questions you asked us. They were really good.
Okay. Now that everyone has, okay, I told them to be quiet and to listen to it. And I said, now that everyone
What was
has,
the little pink thing so everybody can see?
I made little shakers. And I was like, hold them still. And I said, do you hear anything? And I said, what should we, I said, why can't you hear anything? And then they said that they need to shake them. And I said, I said, what should we do so that they'll make noise? And then they started shaking them. And then I said, okay, so now let's shake them. I said, what's the difference between whenever we're shaking them and whenever we're holding them still? And so then they were like telling me that it's because all the stuff was like hanging around there. And I said, what, does it feel any different? Like, can you feel anything? And so yeah, I just
Yeah, so that's a good example of thinking about, and what I want each group to think about in this phase is the kids aren't just doing the investigation to have fun or to draw pictures. They are purposely doing it, and you want them to purposely notice something in particular. So for the sound group, the whole point of sound is made by what? Vibrations. And so in this phase, they are wanting the kids to think about things are moving, things are making sound because things are hitting against each other. When things don't move, don't hit against each other, there's no sound. And so her line of questioning really got us thinking in that direction.
great.
What else did people notice?
How much you enjoyed our thing?
The modeling, like for the modeling for the teacher, the classroom management, that they repeated it back to us that we knew what we were doing, so
Yeah.
just kind of expecting us.
Yeah, good. One more thing. Did you guys notice anything on this table?
You should get more into the Red Robin. You should actually sing it like we do in the commercials.
Yes, I agreed.
Well, Patrick, I was hoping that the students get into it. Patrick really got his voice changed. So maybe we can give a gold star to whoever sings it the best or something.
Yeah, let's think about that. Just because it'll be really loud, and think about what would be the most effective.
That was just a joke. Should we really do that?
No. I think what's hard is like, we're going in there, we have limited time, and if it was on your own class, yeah, you'd want to get gold stars for responding quickly to the attention getter, but you don't have a lot of time and you don't really, that's not the focus. So thinking about something that's really quick and efficient, but will get their attention.
What if it was ask the teacher?
Right, or you can just ask the teacher what she does.
A lot of them clip up and clip down.
Yeah. Okay, who's next? Okay, and then we're taking